before you put the handle, make sure you get the gasket ready. This is the old handle right here. We're just gonna take out this gasket and we'll apply it on the door. That one's good. And then next one is the back. All right, let's put this door handle now. We got the 2 gasket in. Put the connector in first, one at a time. Go in like that. And then the back is next. And then when it lined up, push it forward. Nice and flush. Just like that. This is good. Next, we'll put this cylinder in. So we're gonna install this back in here. 2 tabs right here at the back. So put it in first at the back and then push it forward and then squeeze the front end. Okay, there you go. So make sure this was up before you push this little one in towards the door, okay? All right, there you go. I'm just gonna tie up this bolt this next, and then this should be nice and tight on this outside handle, and then we'll be working on the back next. All right, so this door handle is secured with this bolt right here. So you can see that it's nice and solid. We'll put the cover in. Done. And yeah, let's start working on the inside is next.